It's nice to be here to see you all, and thank you, Professor, for inviting me, and also to you, Rashid Butt, from Novo Nordisk and all the other partners. I have been introduced already. I am the ambassador of Denmark to Pakistan. But actually, first and foremost, I would like to say I'm the father of 3 children. And I think we are quite a few parents present here today, mothers and fathers of our children. And that will always be the most important and challenging task in our life, to raise our children. And today we should reflect that difficult task for us are so many times more difficult for the parents raising children with diabetes 1. And there are thousands and thousands of those parents in Pakistan. And every day they will see their children misbehaving, not growing accordingly to their age. And they will even see their children dying. And they die unnecessarily because of diabetes 1.